Hello guys, how are you? Welcome to my channel again. Uh, Today I will be teaching you how to make a tar papel using Microsoft Excel 2016. The goodness of this uh, Microsoft Excel is that you can identify at the beginning the number of pages you're going to use in making your tar papel. Okay, so when you open the Microsoft Excel, this is the usual picture. And so, since you're going to make a tar papel, you will just need to click blank workbook. And then after that, in order for you to determine the number of pages, just click view and then page layout. And then we have to zoom it out to see the actual number of pages we are going to use in making our tar papel. So once you have that already in your screen, you can now insert the picture that you want to make as a tar papel. So I have here in my desktop. Okay, click the picture and then insert. Okay, there. Then what you will do is just to resize the picture that you want to make as a tar papel. So I just click the circle, the middle circle, so that I can resize that to the right. And if you want it also to resize downward, so just put the cursor on that circle, the middle circle, and then click and drag until such time that your you want to the size that you wanted is meet. Okay, that's it. And then to see the actual picture, you can just click again view and then click normal, and you can see the picture that you wanted to create. Oh, that's it now. Using 6 pages. You can also resize if you want to. We can also decrease the size, so you can still adjust that downward, sideward, or whatever. Okay, you can also include some text if you want to at the upper portion of your picture. So just click it there, and then home, center. Then you can type the title that you want to use. Let's see how the, excuse me for a while. Let's make it larger so we can see the font. How the lungs and the heart work together. Okay, that's it. Now you can make it the center of the picture. There's that. And you have that one. Or you can make it bolder. Okay, that's it. We already have the title. We already have the picture. And you can also determine the size of the paper that you're going to use. So for my project, I just have the short band paper. And for the margin, I will just use okay, we can decrease this one. We can have 1 inch in every sides. That is for us to be able to paste the four, the six, by the way, the six pages together. Okay, that's it. So we still have some spaces for us to adjust. Okay, then after that, you can save now your project. Save as, then browse. Okay, so we'll just name this one as lungs and heart. Lungs and heart. And then save. Okay, that's it. You already have that one. And then if you wanted to be printed, just click file, then print, and then select the printer that you have in your laptop or the one available. Since I do not have the available one, so I will not choose anyone. I just have Microsoft Print to PDF. Just click it there. And then you can see there, page 1, that is your page 1. You have your page 2, your page number 3, number 4, number 5, and number 6. And then after printing, you are now ready to paste together all the pages to come up with a very beautiful tar papel or visual aid that you can use in your teaching if you are a teacher, and then if you are a student, you can use that in your report. Okay, thank you for listening, or thank you for visiting my channel. See you on my next video. Bye bye.